template is right, and
Well, the template was short.
it was.
Yeah, the
All right,
template
well, let's
is,
see, template, that's right, it's, 89.5, we want it to be,
91 on
No.
this side and 90 3/4 on that side.
all right.
Does it matter which end's longer?
Yeah.
Which end's gonna be longer, that end?
So the side to the living room is longer because of the
No,
draw.
I mean, this way, which end of this has to be longer?
This side.
No, this way or that way?
Well,
Or does
the
it?
thing is, well, we wanna cut it square.
Yes,
On the living room side, it's gonna be off a half inch, which we'll have to cover with the trim.
Well, you ain't gonna cover it on the trim on that end.
Huh?
You ain't gonna cover it. Are you gonna?
Well, toward the door, it's gonna be straight across.
So you gonna do it? Well, see, this is the thing. The kitchen's got drywall.
yes.
That's why this side was a little bit shorter. This is going all the way to the beadboard on this side.
Okay, is this the kitchen side?
Yep.
Okay, now, but what does, I know we need to add something to it, do we need to add it on this way or that end?
Well,
It don't matter.
Well, cause your cut's here,
we
don't matter either one.
oh, it don't matter?
we can cut it two different lengths, but what we need to do is square the end to begin with.
Okay, yeah.
We need to cut it square across there, and then we can cut our notch, and then we can cut off,
1/4 inch.
yeah,
eight.
90 3/4, so we're talking about 1/4 of an inch.
Yeah, it ain't much.
Okay, yeah,
1/4 of an inch on the right-hand side, on the kitchen side.
okay,
That's where the drywall is.
okay.
All right, well, let's see.
Let's mark one end off and square it up.
Yeah, we got a square out there, ain't we? Or is it barn?
I got a speed square,
The big square ain't there?
I'm looking,
Well, let me go get the big square.
okay. All right, we're gonna get it all squared up and cut here.